Greetings everyone, hope you're doing well out there. As some of you may or may not know, my name is Alex and welcome to the MCPHONEY channel. If it is your first time here, don't forget to like and subscribe. And for today's quick review, we're going to take a look at this, which is a printing moonlight, sorry, a 3D printing moonlight. That's what we're going to check out. Okay, so you might have seen these around on the internet. It's just a moon that lights up. Right, let's get this open up anyway. That is that. And, well, this is the moon. That's the moon. Well, it's I can't even describe that. Don't know how accurate that is in terms of the markings, the craters. You never know. This is the stand. I will put it together and show you how. And it creates like a little stand for that to go on. Okay. We also have an instruction manual. It's a nice little instruction manual actually. And we also get a USB to DC power cable in white. And finally we have, wow! And that is that's a seriously funky remote. Why that colour? Right then, so let's get rid of that. We don't need that, and we'll try and get this little stand together. Oh, look at that. There you go. There's how to do it. Okay, so it's like an L, and then you put that one there, and then you just, yeah, and that's it. Almost like a little half a cuboid, as you could say, and that is your stand. Well, I want to get this lit up, and of course this is not going to be charged, is it? So I'm going to put that in there. Put that through there. Oh, that's on. That is on. I can see that. So tell you what, let's just turn off some light in here. Right, okay, so it's not the best, but oh, okay, that's changing now. Okay, so that's the brightest it will go, which is, obviously that is not a lamp that you're going to read with. It is just to illuminate the ambient. That's the word I was looking for. Ambient lighting. So what? Okay, so we've got red, green, blue, white. Okay, so at the top of the remote, you've got red, green, blue, and white. Then you've got different variations. You've got a timer as well. You can either have 60 minutes, 45, 30, 15. But you know what? I must admit, it's, yeah. I mean, it does what it says. If you've got that somewhere on your room, you've got a USB socket nearby, you can just have that plugged in all the time. I think, though, for the effect of the moon, you're not really getting that. It's just, you know, if I put that, it doesn't look like a moon. It just looks like a globe. Or a sphere. It does look like, though, it is the genuine print of the moon, I think. Because I was to hold that like that. It does look quite genuine. But yeah. So if I was to give this a mark out of 10, though, I'd probably give it, I think of the price, the build quality, and the features. Yeah, I'd give that around a 6, maybe a 5. 5 out of 10. And that's it. That is the basis of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's a cheap and cheerful ambient lighting system that kind of works, but it does feel very cheap and cheerful. However, as usual, if you've got any questions or thoughts or comments, please write them down in the comment section below, because I would love to hear your feedback on not only this video, but also this device. Not forgetting, if you enjoyed this video, then please show your support by liking and, of course, subscribing to the channel. But until next time, thank you all for watching. Please stay safe out there, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.